Are you tired of dreaming about your online store? Sick of complicated website builders and confusing code? Well, your wait is over. Today I'm showing you how to build a beautiful e-commerce store using WordPress and the Divi theme. Get ready to transform your business and start making money online. No code or design skills needed. And make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon so that you don't miss a video. Let's dive in. We're looking at a fresh WordPress installation, and the first thing we're going to do is go to plugins, add new plugin. We're going to search for WooCommerce. We're going to search for WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is a shopping feature plugin. So basically it adds shopping and product upload capabilities to our WordPress site. Okay, so let's go ahead and select install. Now that it's installed, select activate. Come on, man. 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 Okay. Great. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to appearance, hover over appearance and go to themes. Okay, as you can see, we already have the Divi theme installed. You can simply go to elegant themes or click the link in my description to get your Divi license. As you can see here, for only $89 you can get access to Divi and build unlimited websites. And if you're not happy with the product, within 30 days you can claim your money back. If you decide in future that, oh, I'm in love with the software, I'm going to stick with it for the long run, you can save money by going for the lifetime plan, which is only $249 one-time payment, and build unlimited websites. elegantthemes.com. To speed it up, you can simply use my affiliate link in the description. So we already have Divi theme installed. To install yours, you're going to simply go to add new themes, upload, choose file and select Divi theme, install, activate. Okay, now let's go to our Divi setting. Next thing you're going to do after installing Divi, you're going to go to your updates, insert your username and API. You're going to get those on your Divi account after purchasing the license. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my WooCommerce. Okay, and looking at it, we need to set up a few things. Okay, so we're going to set up our store information. Which one of these best describes you? I'm just starting my business. I'm already selling. Most people are already selling, but they can't figure out how to sell their products online. Okay, no, I'm selling offline. Let's continue. And the store, we're just gonna use a Canva logo template. We're gonna say Salford and Co. Right? We're gonna say Salford and Co. Ford and Co. Right? Which industry is your business in? You fill that in. Clothing and accessories. We're in South Africa, and we select continue. Right, after that, you get some extra feature suggestions. Do you want to install Pinterest, WooCommerce feature, Jet Engine, all that stuff? For now, let's deselect these. We don't want to install them. We're just going to select continue. Awesome. Now our e-commerce store is being set up. Okay, the next thing we want to do is to customize our store, but we won't be using e-commerce templates anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump straight to products. Here I will be showing you how to upload your products on your digital store. Okay, so we're going to go straight to physical product, and the name we're going to say it's black. We're going to say it's black sunglasses. Okay, here you can write a short bio about the sunglasses. We're just gonna load up lorem ipsum text. We're gonna load up lorem ipsum text, start generating, and that will be about product. But here you can fill in information about the product, all the good stuff, description about the product, and you can choose the product image. Choose image, and we are going to use image in our library already, and we're going to select these black sunglasses. Boom, and that's your product image right there. All right, now let's continue, okay, and switch to the following tab, which is variations. Okay, let's say you have different sizes, different colors. This is where you can add variations. Okay, let's say we have a different color because these are shades. We can say we have the black ones, and then we have white ones. If that is the case, this is how you can add variables so that people can switch colors. But that's more of a WooCommerce course instead of an online store. I won't make this tutorial longer than it needs to be. And then we're going to go to organization. Organization is basically making sure that your product belong to a certain category. One, this makes it easy for you to link to your products, and two, it makes it easy for the visitor to find products on your store. Okay, so we're going to say create new products and deselect the uncategorized, and we're going to say ladies sunglasses, and the parent category is going to be sunglasses. All right, that will be the parent category. Now let's go ahead and switch to the pricing tab. We're going to set our pricing as, let's make it list price. We're gonna make it 750, and we'll make our sale price 600. You save 150. Right, schedule the sale. We can say the sale is from the 30, which is today, and we make it just for agency until end of May. Okay, perfect. Okay, all right, great. Black sunglasses. Okay, in stock, all that good stuff. Shipping, you can add a new shipping class here and say standard, just say standard shipping and add. Great. And then we go to linked products. If they are linked products, for example, you can add products that go well with this. For example, if people buy shades and they typically buy another product that goes well with shades, here you can insert your upsells, okay, so that when they click on the product, you can see suggested upsells. Okay, now let's publish our product. Now let's jump straight to creating our homepage. We're going to go to add new. Okay, and we're going to say this page is home. Select publish. We're going to go ahead and say use Divi builder. Okay, and we're going to choose a pre-made layout, and we're gonna go to the shopping layouts. Okay, we're gonna use this one, sunglass shop. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go straight and select home and import this layout. To import the layout, you can simply click use this layout. Looking good. Okay, a quick introduction to page builders. We have sections, which is this blue rectangle right here. As you can see, that's your section. And then inside the section, we have rows. Rows are more like the structure of that section, where you can decide if you want 3 columns or 2 columns or 4 columns. And then inside rows, we have modules. That's where we can add buttons, text, images. Let's change this elegant theme sunglass shop. You can simply click on it like this, like you do on a Word document, and just change it. For example, stand out this summer. And here you can write more selling copy, get the expensive look, maybe expensive look, without breaking the bank, right? And we select okay, and here it's winter. We can just say winter sale. Maybe we're trying to push more products. You can just double click on it and write winter sale instead of summer sale. It's that easy. Here we want to change this text. If we can say up to 80% off sale. I wouldn't recommend 80%, that's a lot. All right, up to 80% of sale. All right, ending on the 05:30 at midnight. Now let's assume you want to change this orange color to that brand gray color. Let me select this text on Canva and get that color right there. You can just double click on this first module right here and go ahead, drag and drop that color right here. Select enter. All right, nope, not on the whole row. Let's go back, double click again, select the first column and go to background. As you can see here, click on the color and paste our gray icon. This is how it looks now. Now let's go ahead and change the color on this text. You can just click on it like this, or go to our module editor, go to design, go to text, and change the text to white or another color, right? Perfect. But this is how you can customize the website layout. Okay, on the second one we have sunglasses, right? Double click on it, go to background, and you will find sunglasses there. We want to change that, have this lady's image here, simply do that. Now you have a nice looking website. I'm pretty sure you're wondering, how am I going to have people buying the products? Yeah, that is where we are going. For example, here the template already comes with the WooCommerce section, products section. Remember the product we uploaded? Now it's showing up here. Okay, so this is a WooCommerce module that we can customize, and we can add our own if we want. For example, we can go here and decide on the sorting. Do you want to sort it by popularity, menu order, or rating? Or do you want 5 columns or 3 columns? Let's say 3 columns. All right, this is how it looks on 3 columns. Each product is just taking up more space, okay? And we make it 5 columns. That is how it looks, okay? The more you add products to that WooCommerce backend, the more products are going to show here. But you can also decide what you want to see here. Here you can set up all of that stuff and say, I only want to see sale products only, or featured products only, best-selling products, or latest product. Let's say we want to create another section and add a product. So let's create a new section right here and select regular. And this section, we're going to make it a single row. Okay, we're going to search who. Since we installed WooCommerce, Divi now has WooCommerce modules, okay, showing up on the module selector. Okay, so we're going to look for who products. This is who products. Click on it, and as you can see here, it shows our sunglasses. And let's say you want these to be your summer specials. You can simply add a new module in this section and add a text to that module. For your design to be consistent, I recommend you just duplicate some text items from the website. Okay, for example, on latest trends, I'm just gonna duplicate this and drag and drop it here. Okay, and just customize that text. We're going to go to design because it's not showing, it's white, right? And we're going to go to black, or we just change it to that color. Okay, boom, great. And we want it to be center aligned. Great. Another beauty with Divi, you can just drag and drop things around. Okay, so hover over the green icon, not the module, the green icon, which is the row, right? And move the row to be on top of this product row. Now we have latest trends, but we can always change it and say kids special. Hit save, and let's say you want to link to the kids special. For example, let's say this one shows kids, and you want, when people click on this one, it goes straight to the kids section. We can just double click on this row and select the second column, okay, the one with an image, and select the link to be kids special. Okay, I'm doing this in reverse. Okay, kids special, and then save, and then we go to this section as a whole and select settings and go to advanced and go to CSS, and the ID for this is going to be kids special. We just remove the hash. Okay, the ID is kids special. Now when we exit the visual builder, okay, now when we exit the visual builder real quick, you click on this image, it goes to kids. Okay, that is how you can have buttons going to different sections of the website and going to other pages. Okay, now you're familiar with customizing the layouts that come with Divi and adding new products and creating sections, right? So what we're going to do now, we're just going to remove that default Divi theme. Okay, real quick, let's go to dashboard and go to Divi. Just click on it. Here you can see there is a logo section. There is nothing here. We're just going to select upload, click on it, set as logo, hit save changes. Okay, real quick, let's go to appearances and go to our menu. Okay, create a main menu, create the menu and add the home page. Okay, and we go to settings, Okay, because when people are typing in your main domain, we want that homepage to appear. We want to switch it from your home displays your latest post to your home displays a static page, and the static page homepage is going to be our home. Okay, select save. Now let's go visit site. Okay, simply hover over here to visit site when you're on dashboard, and hover over here to go back to the dashboard, which is the back end of the website, and click dashboard. Okay, as you can see now, we have a nice looking logo, shopping icons over there. This is a quick tutorial introduction to how you can build amazing looking stores with Divi. Please make sure you hit subscribe so that you don't miss a video. I will see you in the next one.